Hello, good day viewers. Let us find a solution to this radical equation. The question is suggested by Garba Isa. Alright, let's get started. We're asked to find that real value of x that can satisfy this equation, the square root of x divided by 1 plus square root of x minus square root of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, all equal to 0. Before we move on, I would like to let you know that x minus 1 can also be expressed as square root of x squared minus 1 squared. So now let us rearrange it. We have the square root of x divided by 1 plus the square root of x minus the square root of x minus 1 divided by the square root of x squared minus 1 squared. This squared is the same thing as x, right? And 1 squared is still 1. So we have not changed anything. The whole of this equal to 0. And this is clearly difference of two squares, which can be factorized as what? Square root of x minus 1 times the square root of x plus 1. So we have square root of x divided by 1 plus square root of x minus the square root of x minus 1 divided by the square root of x minus 1 times square root of x plus 1. This is nothing but difference of two squares, and the whole of this equal to 0. You can see that this will cancel this, right? What do we have left? From here you see we have 1 left over square root of x plus 1, which is the same thing as this denominator. And once you have the same denominators, you are always free to add or subtract the numerators. So to the top, we have the square root of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus square root of x. You should know that 1 plus square root of x and square root of x plus 1 are all the same. So the whole of this equal to 0. And you should know that the denominator cannot be equal to 0. One thing I have forgotten to tell you is that x cannot be equal to 1 because we don't want any situation that will make our denominator to be equal to 1. So if x is 1, we have 1 minus 1 here, which is 0. And this cannot be negative 1. All right, let's continue. By cross multiplication, you can see that square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. And you can take negative 1 to the other side. We have square root of x equal to 1. Square both sides, square this, you have x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is the solution to this problem, though we have learned from domain that x cannot be equal to 1. So what is the issue? We say that there is no real solution because the solution cannot satisfy the original equation. So how do you conclude? We conclude by saying that x equal to 1 is what? An extraneous solution. Extraneous solution. So whenever you are able to solve a problem completely, obtain the solution, but after checking in the main equation, you realize the solution cannot satisfy the original equation, that solution of 10 is said to be an extraneous solution. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.